Hi Capricorns, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this love oracle that has been created by yours truly. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Just dive into your reading, Capricorns. Towards the final days of December 2021, stepping into January 2022, we have the Two of Pentacles. I think like this card here, you may be juggling money and energy at this time. Capricorns, you may have relied on another person's judgment, but you may have ended up squandering your chances. So it would have been best if you had relied on your own intuition. I think many of you were also a bit baffled because of contradictory information. You didn't know how to proceed at work. Technically also you were challenged, maybe gadgets were malfunctioning. Obstacles to overcome this year, all the challenges that 2022 is going to pose for you is the Ten of Wands. You see this person, he seems to be shouldering a lot of responsibilities. Maybe you should be careful because this year your responsibilities are increasing. You may be under pressure. Financially also you may be facing some kind of financial issue or cash crunch. It seems, I think, you will realize that everything in your life is cyclic. But then, Capricorns, these are the challenges which only harden us and which test our character. It's important, Capricorns, to realize that there's always light at the end of the tunnel. There's always that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow that you should seek. Influences for this year, we have the Ten of Swords, another 10 in your reading. So possibly, like this person, he seems to be challenged, you're going to be overworked, you're going to be under pressure, but then there are going to be opportunities. I think you have that chance to get ahead in life. There will be some kind of contentment as well. But Capricorns, you should also be on your guard because there are going to be people who are going to let you down this year. Sometimes, you could be ruminating over missed chances. Maybe you think that things are going to be back to square one or that you're not making any headway. You will make gains, but then you may also believe that your pockets aren't too deep. It's also quite likely that you may be blamed for decisions made by your superior or by an elder at home. The first 4 months of the year, that is January, February, March, April, we have the Nine of Swords. You see this lady, she seems to be having some sleepless nights. Maybe your health could be an issue here because of the anxiety or the stress that is going to be there. Responsibilities, like I said, will increase at this year. So maybe you have to step up because colleagues are absent. Even job opportunities are on the card. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may believe that someone who is working for you or who is making purchases for you is being dishonest, or that you believe this person is out to make a quick buck and cheat you along the way. Other than that, I think you should be careful because your rivals are going to malign you. Nevertheless, I think the energy is such that you will be able to get going. You will be completing a lot of tasks, I think even one after the other. The next 4 months of the year, we have the Tower card. This is the Mars energy and this is asking you to make quick progress. Communication is also going to increase. Maybe unexpected things are going to turn up in your life. Sometimes, it's best to tone down your expectations. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be changes in your schedule. You may have to act very quickly. You may also be forced to communicate with someone. Maybe you shouldn't set your hopes too high. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you should follow your instinct. We did clarify the Tower card and we do have the Two of Swords. So this means that there's going to be indecision here. Maybe you should also deliberate with family elders or a father figure. Sometimes, you could also be someone who wants to take your own sweet time. You want to understand things before you can proceed. Ideally also, Capricorn, this energy is such that it's asking you to pay more attention. Maybe you shouldn't complain if the senior saddles you with excess work. You also believe that others walk away with all the plaudits. They take credit for whatever you have done. Maybe your family members also think that you need to pull up your socks and you should be more competent at work or be more serious about your work. Nevertheless, I think in these months you will use your contacts, you will get out of the messy situation that you find yourself in. You can also expect your dues. The final 4 months of the year, we have the Knight of Pentacles here. This is an energy which is asking you to be more stable. In case you're expecting a job opportunity here, then you may be a bit disappointed. Maybe it's not up to your standards. I think within the workplace also, your superior may want to hire someone who could be like an insider, but then you're going to find a way to maintain the status quo. I think you could also annoy your superior because you want to finish the task before the superior arises, because you don't want the scrutiny that is involved. At times, Capricorns, you may also feel that your superior or somebody around you is distrusting you. Maybe this person is deliberately overlooking whatever you have to convey. There could also be surprise checks by the management, so be on your guard where work is concerned. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Intimacy. Capricorns, this person you're dealing with or you have in mind definitely desires a physical connection with you. He wants to be intimate with you. Sometimes just holding hands is enough to feel complete or to feel that union or oneness with your person. Incidentally, Capricorns, I'm also picking up that you could be quite a heartbreaker this year. Maybe the rejection is going to be very hard for this person to digest. On the other hand, Capricorns, in case you're crushing on someone or in case you have feelings for someone, I think you shouldn't come across as someone who is too persuasive. Maybe you also feel that there are too many obstacles in the path, or there are too many limitations which cannot be overcome. Some of you could also be dealing with an ex-flame who wants to reach out to you, but then you are going to be someone who is going to give him the silent treatment. The leaves only make a sound when the wind blows or when someone tramples upon them. So certainly you are not going to say anything. You're not interested in this person, so to speak. Balancing Capricorns, I think you can expect good phone conversations with this person. Maybe you will also have prophetic dreams with respect to your romantic connection. You do believe that the two of you are aligned or you have the same thoughts. I think in relationships you should not be neglectful. Some of you could also be rattled on account of your in-laws. Maybe you think that whatever you do for them is never going to be good enough. Maybe they're always underestimating you, or they are not giving you that importance which you deserve. Capricorn, some of you may be in an unhealthy relationship. This relationship could be quite abusive and this could affect you emotionally as well. From the Native Spirit Oracle deck, we have this card, Owl Medicine. I think the owl is asking you to be more wise, whether it concerns your relationship or whether it concerns work-related matters. You are going to be someone who is going to gain the wisdom this year. Besides, I think you should follow your sixth sense, because the owl is talking about intuition and clairvoyance. I think you should trust your perception. 2022 is the time for illumination and transformation for you. Another card in this reading is refocus. Maybe you should work on your goals, or you should walk away from unhealthy patterns or unhealthy relationships. You need to pull up your socks at work, which did come up in your reading. From Lenormand, we have this card, Burial Mound or Tomb. Like I said, change is in the offing this year. Maybe there'll be some health issues, or you could be moving away from certain relationships or certain people. I think you desire closure and clarity. Your psychic abilities are also heightened. Maybe there could be some psychic attacks, because we do have the Crow here, which talks about the underworld. Nevertheless, the last card in your reading is Expect a Miracle from Archangel Raphael. So Archangel Raphael is asking you to be open to miracles which are going to abound this year, whether it concerns a health matter for you or a loved one. Be more positive. Surely this card is assuring you that positive health change is occurring as a result of prayer or as a result of positive thinking. Maybe you're also using your healing abilities to good effect. There may be fear involved here, so angels are asking you to pray because prayer is the only solution. I think you have the ability to perceive the truth even if there are murky situations in your life this year. 2022 is going to bring in opportunities. It is going to bring in good luck and change because we did have miracles here. It is also the time of illumination and transformation for you. I hope Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.